is it? You saucy.
Hola beautiful people, it's me, Penny Queen, and I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be about this hair here. Do you see anything different? Do you see anything different? Probably not, because y'all haven't seen me in a while. But girl, get into this color. Do you see this color I added to the ends of my hair? Alright, let me just post a picture here first. Now that's what my hair was looking like before. Yes, it's still fabulous, but as you can see, the color on the ends were fading, and it was fading fast. It was like my hair was being ate up or something. I don't know what happens to color and how it just disappears. I don't know if my hair is getting shorter and it's eating away. I don't know if it's just fading. I have no idea. But I do know the color on the ends of my hair was just fading, and it was fading rapidly. So I needed to do something about the color because I wanted my ends to stay popping. So I decided to bleach my ends. Yes, I bleached my ends before my hair was 100% locked. No, I don't see no damage. No, I don't think I regret doing it yet. But I can tell you that the ends that were blonde got even more blonde. Like, that's not a color that I typically would go for, but it will fade. You know, I'm happy overall, as you can see. So this is the color that my hair originally was, and the ends that was originally that color turned this little white super blonde color. My roots are still dark, as you can see, because I only dyed my ends. I wasn't that bold to dye my whole head. I was just really focused on my ends because I wanted my ends to just pop. And also I was a little scared that they was going to come out, or they was going to not be able to get the bleach out the roots. I don't know what was going to happen. And you know, I'm still braiding and banding, so washing was going to be a problem. I went through all those fears in my head, and I came up with a solution. So if you want to see how I achieved this bleached look on my premature locks, just keep watching. you reached the end of this video, and as you can see, the color came out really good and really bad at the same time, in my opinion. Yes, I was able to bleach my hair without my hair unraveling. As I can see, I can't really tell right now because as soon as I took the braids out, I put the rollers in, so I'm not really sure how much, if any of it, really unraveled. But look, this is the color. So the ends that were already really blonde turned even blonder, and then I got this color here. So now I have 4 colors of brown in my hair. Originally I only had 3. Yeah, originally I only had 3 colors. I had my black roots, I had like a dark brown, and then I had a blonde. Now I have my roots black, dark brown, a medium blonde, and a really light blonde on each one. So when I washed my hair, I washed it twice with the neutralizing shampoo. I washed it really good on the ends that were bleached, and then I washed my whole head again with my clarifying shampoo. I used that all over my head. Again, I also used that on the front, so I technically washed the front 3 times. I did not add any conditioner, and my hair still feels really good. Also, because my hair now is used to not using conditioner, so I believe that stage is fine. I also normally go through and spray my hair with leave-in here and there, so that will also aid. I'll let you know if I have any shedding or falling out, I guess, later on. Also, what is very important is that when you're in the shower, right before you get out, what I want you to do is take the rubber band off, or take your band, whatever you band your hair with, wherever you bleach, take that band off and make sure you run some water on it to make sure there's no bleach stuck underneath of that rubber band. Now, you could try your hardest not to get it on there, but in some areas there's going to be some bleach underneath the band. You want to make sure you take that off, because if not, then you're still going to have unprocessed bleach on your hair, and you did not wash it out, which will then eat away at your hair, so you do not want that. So what I did was I just took them all off at once. I held them really tight and tried to wiggle it out, make sure there was nothing left. Not saying that there were something there, I just wanted to make sure that it was all out. That's the only tip that I have. Other than that, it turned out really well. I do not see any loose locks. Normally after I wash my hair, sometimes I'll get 1 or 2 loose ones around my edges. That's why I wanted to wait till I had fresh edges, because I wanted to see if anything would come out on a regular wash. But I have combined 3 or 4 of those. I will talk about that in an updated video. So this is the color. Let's get into it again. And as you can see, my hair is still locked. Nothing has changed. I don't see any damages. Boom. So all in all, it was a success. I know some people are not really keen on dyeing your hair until your hair is completely locked. I'm looking at about probably 2 years before my hair fully locked, which means I would never have color. So that was like killing me. Oh my God. It was killing me knowing that I could not dye my hair or bleach my hair, anything. So this is what I have. I wanted to add some color to the end. This isn't the final color that I wanted. I'll come back if I do add color. Also, I want some color up here. So I don't know what I'm gonna do for that yet. I don't know if I'm gonna band it and just put it up here. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. Trust me, y'all. I'm working on it. Because all those out there who like, oh my God, I'm scared to dye my hair, I don't know if it's gonna come out, this is for you. This is for you, because I know somebody's out there trying it and they got devastated. I've seen someone dye their Microlocs 3 months after dyeing them. I've seen one person whose theirs went bad. Like, they started to get bunching, they unraveled a lot. I saw it. And then I seen someone else who dyed their hair a couple months after, and it was perfectly fine. So it all depends on your hair, it all depends on the person, it all depends on the risk level that you're willing to take. I was willing to take a risk. One, because I did them myself, so I know if I needed to fix them, I could also fix them myself. But also the steps that I took to prevent it from slipping and all that, I feel like was a really good step. So if you want to try this, you already know. So the steps that I took, I thought were really good. So you should give it a try if you want to bleach your ends. Now this is just your ends, not your whole head. Okay, I'll come back to let you know what to do for your whole head. But for your ends, you can do this. Without further ado, you know what time it is. It's time to hit that like button, that subscribe button, and comment below. See you in the next one.